Let me show you how to turn a regular low-resolution selfie like this into a professional AI-generated high-quality headshot like this. So to do this, just head over to OpenArt and you will find a link directly to this page in the description. Then head over to this section where it says image, and then all you need to do is choose a model or character. And the model we're going to use in this video is the latest state-of-the-art AI image generator and editor called Seedream 4.0. And now if we choose this model, now what we can do is we can choose an existing image, for example, of me. Just an example, let's do this photo. So I will just drag and drop this image into this place over here. And then all I need to do is I need to specify a prompt, which basically means I will tell the AI what kind of an image I want to turn this into. And now I have pre-written this, but these can be very simple instructions you can just give the AI. So for instance, create a professional AI headshot of this person wearing a blue suit outside an office in New York during the sunset. And here you can set the number of images. We can do, for example, 2. It will spend 30 credits, and let's hit create. And now it will take 30 seconds or something like that to create these images. And meanwhile these photos are generating, let me quickly talk about the pricing. So for instance, if you do the essential plan, that costs $7 per month and you get 4,000 credits. And as you can see, if we create an image, it will cost 15 credits basically, which means that you can create roughly what it is, like 250 photos for $7. So this is actually very cheap compared to the traditional AI headshot generators. If my math is playing out right, it is roughly there. It is like a couple of hundred pictures. But now let me show you the results. So here is the result number 1, and here is the result number 2. Let's actually compare these side by side. So here is the original photo of myself, and here is the AI generated headshot. I mean, come on, the background changed perfectly. The attire changed perfectly, but my face still looks exactly the same. And also, one of the reasons why you might want to try Cdream on this platform called OpenArt is because you do not only get these results, but you can also edit these photos. For example, if we want to edit this one, we can just click edit, and it opens up this AI image editor. Well, now first and foremost, let's do something very simple. So let's add some room to both sides of this image, because now it's just a regular square. So let's click expand, and we can drag this as much as we want to on both sides. Let's do this, and let's create just one image with this, and let's hit create. And here is our expanded image. I mean, isn't that pretty cool as well? Then we can also choose this face option over here. So this allows us to change facial expressions naturally. So we can adjust head, mouth, and eye characteristics separately. And you have these presets over here, so we can do happy, wink, surprise, sleepy, frown. So for instance, let's do happy for this professional headshot. And as you can see, immediately as you choose the preset, the AI starts to work on it. Well, this smile is not 100% accurate, but it still did something. So obviously it is not perfect. I could not use an image like this because people would immediately be able to tell this is some kind of photoshopping error or some AI generated photo. So, but yeah, make sure to play with these different presets. Let's actually try the wink option as well. Oh, that's actually pretty cool, although it's not fitting to the context of this image because it's supposed to be a professional headshot. And as you can also see, we're not going to dig deeper into this, but you can actually describe perfectly what you want to do here. So these presets are just some presets that the team has created, but you can also like drag and drop these sliders, or you can basically adjust these sliders as much as you need to, and the AI will do something. So for instance, here it's looking more down. Oh, and one thing I absolutely love here in OpenArt is this chat to edit feature. So for instance, you can choose one of your photos from your history. Let's do this one, and you can hit confirm, and then you can just tell the AI what you want to do here in the chat. For example, turn the hair blue. Just enter to send the message, and it shouldn't take for more than like 10 to 15 seconds for the AI to create an image with these instructions. Isn't that awesome? It looks so realistic. So basically this is just like the original photo, but now my suit is blue, the background is in New York during the sunset, and my hair is blue. And nothing seems to be out of place, so if you didn't really know what I look like, you wouldn't be able to tell that this is an AI generated photo. So if you want to turn your regular selfies into professional AI headshots, or even if you just want to create random AI images and videos or edit AI images or videos, make sure to sign up to OpenArt. You will find a link to this page in the description, and you will also find a little discount specific to my audience only in the description of the video. And the reason why I use this platform is simply because it is kind of like the grocery store of these AI image and video generator models. And here's what I mean. So for instance, if we choose image over here, we can choose between all these 100 plus latest state-of-the-art AI image generator and editor models. So instead of you having to sign up to all these services separately and paying for those separately, you will save a lot of time and hundreds of dollars by just using this one platform. And also, it offers this extensive service. So with every image, you can edit the photo, you can do the chat to edit, you can even do some character stuff and bulk create your photos. And this is obviously not possible with these individual AI image generator models if you're not using these on OpenArt. So this is just such a no-brainer place to go if you want to do anything with AI images or AI videos.